Hi friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series where I'm making AI concepts simple and easy for you to understand. In today's episode, we are learning what are guardrails. This is extremely important, extremely critical for when you're working with any AI model. This is part 12 of the series. Make sure that you have watched all the previous episodes in this series so that you can master all the AI concepts. So, what exactly are guardrails? Guardrails equal to constraints and rules. We put some constraints and rules around our AI models that they can't break in. That keeps our behavior of our AI model predictable, safe. For example, think of it this way. If somebody is trying to talk to you about self-violence, if somebody is trying to talk about child exploitation, etc., which are like you want to restrict them, right? So our AI model should not help. Our AI model should not be an accomplice. That's where we put constraints and rules in order to make sure that our AI model does not participate in such behavior. That means we never expose private data, never generate any harmful content. That's what guardrails are about. Now, how do you tell it? So imagine you are telling your digital intern that never click on any phishing links, or you're telling that never share any passwords, or you're saying that always confirm before sending money. These are some of the basic checks that you put in place in order to make sure that our AI model is behaving in a certain governed way. Also, think of it like this. Guardrails equal to safety instructions that we are baking in. That means our AI model has this built-in capacity to understand, to process what needs to be shared and what it needs to be restricted. Those are called the guardrails. Now, think of it this way. Guardrails can be prompt based. That means when user is asking something, let's say for example, a user can say that, can you give me a Windows key or a crack key where I can install it for free, or a free license key? Our AI model, that's a prompt based guardrail. Now, there is also something called system prompts where they are inbuilt, hidden, but they will process it to block such invalid request. Third level could be the code level validations. That means, let's say you're trying to ask someone for encapsulation or rehashing of passwords, etc. That's at the code level. So remember one thing, guardrails ensures that AI behaves within our limits. So this is the important check that every AI researcher should put in. Now, in more simple terms, think of it this way. Guardrails is equal to traffic lights for your intern. Guardrails keep your AI intern from making dangerous or wrong moves. And that can only happen when you put in proper place in terms of what needs to be done, what are the dangerous ones. While we are training data, we also train our guardrails of what data not to include, like password sharing or encryption of data, license keys, etc. This also helps in an overall ecosystem to keep our AI model safe and for free usage for everyone, including kids. That's most important in terms of AI models. I hope you are clear about what are guardrails of AI model. Follow me for more such simplified AI explanations. Like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Don't forget to watch this entire AI Masterclass series in order to learn and master AI concepts. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.